Online communities and their governance systems have been studied in HCI recently for their role in collective knowledge generation, gaming, social media, content moderation, as well as digital public infrastructures. They deal with public good generation and resource allocation problems, which carry a lot of real-world implications and have also drawn cross-disciplinary scholarship in recent years. We introduced NLP4Gov, which is a comprehensive library which incorporates computational linguistics and NLP for scalable and accessible policy corpus analysis and for drawing insights and visualizations into the behavior of these communities. It's a compatible and user-friendly repository comprising of several interactive applications developed on Google Colaboratory. They use transformer-based language models which have been developed along related NLP tasks and validated on associated benchmarks and have been further adapted for abstracting policy-specific constructs. We present a few example applications of the repository. The repository supports comparing policy records and constitutions across related online communities, and it also allows systematic retrieval and ranking of events and discussions and other forms of archival exchanges from data stores of online communities for further qualitative and quantitative analysis. One of the other major applications are institutional analyses along the institutional grammar framework, where we basically extract components of from policy descriptions, such as who is performing a policy, who in terms of people or institutional instruments are affected by a particular policy, what sort of activities or actions are required to be taken by a policy, as well as categorizing policies in terms of the strength of regulation. And based on this information, we draw inferences and symbolic representations of how different components of the communities are connected as an institution in terms of the policies they perform or involve each other in. And this gives us quite a lot of insight as to how governance mechanisms are set up within these communities. Future directions include expanding the current capabilities of the repository, moving towards more data efficient approaches, as well as incorporating and developing more labeled data and standard benchmarks for training and validating computational approaches to policy research. We thank you for attending the presentation and look forward to seeing you at CHI.